Dr. Shikha Gurnani. I thought I'd talk to you for a few minutes regarding the raging question today. Should coronavirus vaccine should be taken by the females who are planning pregnancy or who are pregnant? There are so many doubts everybody is having these days. So what better a moment to share and clear all your doubts. सो आई थॉट कि हमारे पास इतनी पेशेंट उनकी इतनी क्वेरीज होती हैं कि क्या हम वैक्सीन ले सकते हैं, नहीं ले सकते, कब लेनी चाहिए, क्या इन वैक्सीन से पेशेंट को कोई इफ़ेक्ट होगा या बच्चे पे कोई इफ़ेक्ट आएगा। इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं तो मैंने कहा कि चलो हम आपसे गुफ्तगू ही कर लेते हैं इस टॉपिक को लेके। सो हमें जैसे पता है कि आज हमारे पास इंडिया में 2 वैक्सीन अवेलेबल हैं। फर्स्ट इज़ अ कोविशील्ड वैक्सीन which is produced by Serum Institute of India in collaboration with AstraZeneca. It is an adenovirus based viral vector vaccine. And the second one is a Covaxin, which is being produced by Bharat Biotech Limited. This is an indigenous vaccine and it is also an inactivated whole virus vaccine. Both the vaccines are not live attenuated, so actually these possess no harm to the patient or to the developing baby inside. And व्हाट आर द मेजर कंसर्न्स हैं कि हमारे क्वेश्चंस क्या होते हैं कि क्या इन वैक्सीन से बेबी को कोई मैलफॉर्मेशन तो नहीं हो जाएंगी, क्या बेबी आईयूडी तो नहीं होएगा, क्या बच्चे का कोई छोटा वज़न तो नहीं रह जाएगा, क्या उससे मदर को कोई इश्यूज तो नहीं होंगे। सो एज ऑफ नाउ अ डेटा फ्रॉम अमेरिकन वी सेफ रजिस्ट्री इज रीअश्योरिंग इन दिस रिगार्ड दैट देयर आर नो इंक्रीज मैटरनल और द fetal side effects with vaccine administration to a pregnant lady as compared to a non-pregnant lady. Women who have even delivered after the vaccine have not shown any increased risk of the above issues. There is a data that pertains to the use of mRNA vaccine in over 35,000 pregnant women. So there is no issues in giving a vaccine to the patient. Then international bodies have taken a uniformly positive stand on the COVID vaccine in pregnancy and lactation. It is actually believed that if a patient who catches COVID during the pregnancy has more risk to the mother and to the developing baby rather than taking the vaccine, which is rather safe and effective for both of them. So it is advisable for everyone who is planning pregnancy or is pregnant should go ahead with the vaccine. Now the daily queries which I face, which patients are asking, first, for patients who are not yet pregnant but who are planning pregnancy, doctor, can vaccine be taken during the periods or not? क्या periods के दिनों में लेना safe है? So vaccine has no correlation with the period cycle or the day of the menses or if you're planning pregnancy. वैक्सीन इन द प्री कंसेप्शन पीरियड फॉर द पेशेंट्स जो फर्टिलिटी इश्यूज में हैं, जिनको प्रेगनेंसी प्लान करने में इश्यूज आ रहे हैं, उनकी मेडिसिन से कोई हैम्पर करेगा। वैक्सीन का हैज़ नो रोल इन एनी एडवर्स इफेक्ट इन प्लानिंग दोस प्रेगनेंसी। थर्डली, क्या प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन जिसने वैक्सीन ले ली थी फर्स्ट शॉट, कैन शी टेक सेकेंड शॉट ऑफ वैक्सीन? येस, ऑफ कोर्स शी कैन टेक सेकेंड शॉट ऑफ वैक्सीन। फॉर पेशेंट्स हु आर राइट नाउ प्रेग्नेंट, as per ICMR guidelines, they also can take both the shots of vaccine because the benefits far much outweigh the risks of the vaccine. So vaccine as per the general population, for patients who have had COVID and now yet are pregnant, so can they take? Yes, they also can take the vaccine after 84 days of the COVID infection. Vaccine is rather more recommended for pregnant ladies who have comorbid conditions in pregnancy, like any patient who has a heart problem, who has a blood clotting disorder or any major illness. They should rather take the vaccine because already these problems gets accentuated in the pregnancy. So COVID will have more effect, detrimental effect in that. So my personal advice is that yes, you should go ahead with the vaccine. Now, there are the recommendations for the National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization endorsed by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. All pregnant women visiting antenatal care should be informed about the risks and benefits of both the vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin, which are available with us. They can take the vaccine in any trimester of the pregnancy, even in a first trimester, as it is not a live vaccine. Risk-benefit ratio is to be clearly understood that the risks are far more of contracting COVID and related complications. patients have to stay at the vaccination center at least for 30 minutes after taking the vaccine. Also, all the feeding mothers, lactating mothers should receive the COVID-19 vaccine at any time after the delivery. So on a personal note, keeping in the welfare of the patients, all my patients, I would generally and personally advise, please go ahead, don't be hesitant, take the vaccine. COVID is far more dangerous than the vaccine. Go ahead, have a safe journey towards your pregnancy and for your healthy life. Thank you. And for any queries, you can even visit your nearest gynecologist or those patients who are my patients regular follow-up. They can come anytime to me and discuss anything they want at my clinic. Thank you.